Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I am so happy you are here today. And hello to you, my dear John.
Hello, my dear Moirom. Hello, everyone. I am so ready for today's lesson.
Today, we will learn about time management. This means using your time in a smart way. It is very important in daily life, Kalija.
I really need this lesson, sweetheart. I am always late for everything.
Yes, John, I know. So let us begin. Repeat after me. I wake up early every morning.
I wake up early every morning.
Excellent, Jahid. Now, say it again, a little more smoothly.
I wake up early every morning.
Beautiful! Now, this one. I make a list of things to do.
I make a list of things to do.
Very good, Sona. A small pronunciation tip. The word list, end it softly. List, not list. Just list.
List. List. Got it, sweetheart.
Perfect. Now repeat. I do the most important things first.
I do the most important things first.
Great improvement, my dear Kalija. Now this one. I do not spend too much time on my phone.
I do not spend too much time on my phone.
You said that like another confession, Jan.
Maybe just a little, Moirom.
Say it again, confidently this time.
I do not spend too much time on my phone. Starting today.
Excellent! Now, a polite expression. Repeat after me. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for your time.
Pronunciation tip. The word thank. Let your tongue touch your top teeth. Blow a little air. Thank. Thank. Not tank. Thank.
Thank. Thank you.
Perfect, baby. Now our confident sentence. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I can do this.
I believe in myself. I can do this.
Yes, you can, Jahid. And I believe in you too. Always.
Thank you, Moirom. That means everything to me.
Now, our full practice round. Listen first, then repeat. Ready, Jan?
Ready, my dear.
I wake up early every morning. I make a list of things to do. I do not spend too much time on my phone. I believe in myself. I can do this. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, I will try. I wake up early every morning. I make a list of things to do. I do not spend too much time on my phone. I believe in myself. I can do this. Thank you so much for your time.
Jahid! That was incredible! I am so proud of you, Sona!
I could not have done it without you, sweetheart.
We did it together, John. Like always. And now, dear viewers, a message for you. Do not give up. Mistakes are how we learn. Watch this video one more time. You will remember even more the second time.
That is so true. I always learn more the second time, too.
Please come back and watch more videos on our channel. We are always here for you. You are part of our family now.
We love our viewers so much, Moirom. They feel like family.
From me, Moirom, and from my Favorite student?
Favorite student and husband.
Yes, both. We say goodbye for now. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop believing in yourself.
Goodbye, everyone. You were doing so well. We believe in you.